Welcome to Premium Garage. My name is Christian. Today we're just going to be installing the Supra Tail Light face. It's an awesome product to be able to install along with our tail light deck. Let's get right into it. All we need is a squeegee and to make sure that the light is clean to get started. You want to make sure that the entire surface is clear of debris, so just make sure you either use our surface prep that is on the site or just a little bit of alcohol and a nice clean rag. You're gonna take the product, you're gonna peel, you're gonna make sure not to stretch it or warp it in any way. You're also gonna wanna make sure that you're in a good temperature. Too hot, things are gonna warp. Too cold, it's not gonna work with you. So you're gonna start in this corner here. You're just holding the material taut. You're not pulling any way in any direction. You're gonna make sure you've got this corner placed here. There you go. And this area here, you want to make sure, you want to try not to let it stick until you've got this part lined up. So you're going to here, and you want to be lining up this corner right around there. And you'll know that you don't have any tension. If it's just kind of laying flat, you'll start to see, you know, a wrinkle that's going straight across if you're giving it too much tension. If that happens, you want to pull it back off. And I did see that this kind of rose up a little too far. We're going to take it back off here. Put it back into place. Watch it again as we go. We're watching this line as we're lining up this corner. So it's all there, laying nice and flat. And make sure I don't have any wrinkles here. Once we're to this point, we should be able to see this. Really nice. Got that paint still. All right, this is where you want to be. This is when you're going to need your squeegee. So you're going to be able to lay down everything on the front face that you just did. You shouldn't have any bubbles or anything because everything was nice and flat. You shouldn't have to worry about anything. If you do, then you know you had tension there. You try to just pick it up best you can. So you're gonna get here, you wanna make sure that this gets laid nicely. How we're gonna do this is from here, you've got no tension. This is just gonna sweep down and around. It's gonna all fall into place if you've got this lined up correctly. Nice firm pressure here. I'm just gonna let this lay into place. Just like that. You're gonna use the hard edge here and tuck that in. And there you go. You can go back over it, make sure everything's all out, no bubbles. So once you've got that done, you wanna make sure that your outside line is all laid down. You can easily do that just with your finger, but then after that, the taillight is done, the product is fully installed. You will notice that there is a small dimple here that is in the taillight itself. So it's not actually a bubble, that is completely unavoidable being that it is in the taillight itself. After that, you can move on to the next product that we highly recommend in addition to this product, which is the taillight deck. So if you'd like to do that, we also have that available on the site and you can pick it up at premiumautostyling.com. That's it for me. This is Christian signing out.